Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure rank math for WooCommerce product schema detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the rank math plugin in the sidebar. Click on the settings option under rank math. In the settings menu, locate and select the titles and meta tab. Scroll down to find the product section. Ensure the product schema option is enabled. Now, go to the Schema Markup tab in Rank Math Settings. Select products from the available schema types. Customize the default settings for product schema as needed. Fill in the necessary fields like product name, description, and price. Enable the SKU option if your products have a stock keeping unit. In the same tab, configure the image settings by selecting the appropriate product image. Ensure the brand field is filled out if relevant. Proceed to the Advanced tab to configure other schema options. Adjust any additional settings to match your product specifications. Save your changes by clicking the Save Changes button. Now, navigate to your WooCommerce products in the dashboard. Choose a product you want to optimize for schema. Scroll down to the Rank Math section on the Product Edit page. Verify that the product schema is correctly populated. Make any additional adjustments as necessary for that specific product. Preview the product page to ensure the schema markup is displayed. Use Google's Rich Results Test tool to validate your schema setup. Check for any errors or warnings in the tool's results. If there are issues, return to the Rank Math settings to resolve them. Once validated, your product schema is now optimized for search engines. This configuration will enhance search visibility and improve click-through rates. Remember to periodically review and update your product schema settings as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.